all you wonderful people in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get right to it. So as you can see, I've already got the canvas prepped. I've got black, a little bit of purple, tiny bit of pink there. And the colors I'll be using are green and silver. To the green, I've added some of the shoe leather waterproofing spray. And to the silver, I've added some dish soap. Now they both, of course, have gotten the water and PVA glue, as always. I'm doing a swipe today. So I'm just going to put some paint on there and swipe it across and see just what I get. Now it needs to be mixed a tiny bit better. There we are. Make sure I get right to the ends. I'll have to adjust that silver as well. All right. And so as I've done in the past, I'm using this hunk of plastic from it's like a school binder. And here we go, starting at the end. And let's swipe it. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off and give it another go. And here we go, swipe number 2. I think I'll go ahead and swipe it back. Give it another wipe here and see if maybe we'll do another swipe. That might do it. No, maybe one more. Why not? Go ahead and give that a quick torch to get the air bubbles out. Alright, so I think we'll go ahead and let that sit. I'm not going to swipe it again. And we'll come back in about a half an hour and see just what we have. Alright, so it's been about a half an hour. I do see all sorts of little cell formation there. Let me get closer in on that. No huge cells, but you can certainly see all sorts of little ones. Some of them were there, and then some of them cropped up within the half an hour. And I suspect as it dries, a few more may yet crop up. Alright, so that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and that way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you all again for watching, and I will see all you wonderful people next time.